How can vivid imagery help people connect to experiences that are similar to and different from their own? For author Gary Soto, describing the sights, sounds, and smells of Mexican-American culture was his way of bringing it to life for readers across the globe. Soto was born in 1952 into a family of farm and factory workers. He was raised in a working-class community in Fresno, California. When he was 5 years old, his father was killed in an accident at work, leaving his mother to raise 3 children on her own. As a teenager, Soto worked in the dusty fields of the San Joaquin Valley, picking cotton, grapes, and beets to support his family. At school, he maintained a D average. However, around this same time, he discovered a love of poetry through the works of Ernest Hemingway and Gabriel Garcia Marquez, the Colombian writer known for magical realism. Graduating from California State University with a degree in English, he wrote stories of his own, inspired by the people, places, and events that he had grown up with. Using meticulously crafted imagery, Soto captured the essence of the urban Chicano experience, blending in aspects of his own childhood. Baseball in April is a collection of stories set in Central Valley, California, where Latino teenagers' stories come to life, weaving a rich narrative of love, dreams, and the magic of everyday life. In Taking Sides, 14-year-old Lincoln navigates moving to a white neighborhood. The tough challenges he faces opens his eyes to some important lessons on loyalty, friendship, and change. Through his writing, Soto expertly captures the authentic experiences of communities often overlooked in U.S. society. Renowned for his ability to paint pictures with words, from the earthy smells of farmlands to the sounds of his childhood. Gary Soto is celebrated today as a true master of storytelling. What sights, sounds, and smells would you use to describe your neighborhood?